Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I think you are all fine. Anyway, in previous class we are learned about the movements of the earth crust, right? Right now we are going to learn about the what grid. Okay, grid, the Earth's grid system. Earth grid system. This is a very simple topic. Just we have to concentrate here. Understand? What do you mean by grid here? What do you mean by grid? Actually, on a globe, on a globe, the networks, latitudes, and longitudes is drawn. Getting my point? On a globe, a network, latitudes, and longitudes are drawn. Okay, which is called as a grid. Getting my point? Networks means what? What do you mean by networks? Connections in between the areas, connection in between the regions. Okay, that is the networking system. Okay, to communicating with each other, latitudes are drawn in previously. Understand, as we learned in previous classes. Getting my point? That networks or latitudes and longitudes are drawn, okay, which is called a grid system. Okay, that the grids, for example, this is the grids. Okay, this is one grid, this is one grid, this is one grid, like that. Understand? Okay, in these areas total 7 continents are available on the globe. 7 continents are available. Understand? Along with the Antarctica. Getting my point? So here, as per the grid, we can locate the required places, or we can locate the important places. Getting my point? As per the grids. For example, here African continent is there. African continent. Okay, African continent. The equator is passing through the African continent. Equator is passing through the African continent. Yes or no? Getting my point? So when the equator is passing through the African continent, then some latitudes and longitudes are passing through the African continent, right? So in the African continent, some grids are there. Okay, this is one grid, this is one grid, this is one more grid, and this is one more grid, this is one more grid, like that. Okay, these are the grids. So as per the grids, we can identify the area, particular area. Okay, exactly in this grid which country is there, which state is located, like that we can identify. The grids are helpful to us in that way only. Understand? We can easily locate the places with the help of grids. So that is nothing but a grid system. Understand? Getting my point? So this is just a basic information I am going to give you to introduce about the latitudes and the longitudes. Understand? Getting my point? So now we are going to learn about the latitudes. Going to learn about the latitudes. Getting my point? Actually, these latitudes are a horizontal lines. All the latitudes are a horizontal lines. Getting my point? These latitudes are goes around the earth. Goes around the earth exactly middle at equal distances towards the North Pole and the South Pole. Exactly middle one latitude is there. That latitude name is a equator, as of you know. I think so. Getting my point? This is the equator. Okay, and this equator is dividing this earth into two parts. Okay, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And the next point, these are all latitudes. All the latitudes. Latitudes are nothing but a horizontal lines, not vertical lines. All the horizontal lines are nothing but a latitudes. Actually, these all the latitudes are expressed in a degrees, minutes and seconds. Okay, getting my point? All the latitudes are expressed in a degrees. Okay, this equator is the 0 degree latitude. It is called a 0 degree latitude. Getting my point, Nana? So in the degrees we can identify. Understand? And one more thing is here. In some other situations, meanwhile the map makers, when some map makers, when they are preparing the globe, at that time they do not mention the degrees and minutes and seconds. They left the minutes and seconds. They will mention only the degrees. Getting my point? What are the degrees? 0 degree equator, 0 degree latitude is nothing but an equator. Okay, and 23. And one more thing is Tropic of Cancer is there. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, this is 23.5 degrees latitude it is called. Understand? And again, Tropic of Capricorn is there. Tropic of Capricorn. This is also 23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees latitude. Like that, they are measuring. Sometimes some situations geographers they left the minutes and seconds, but actually all the latitudes are measured or expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds also. Getting my point? Keep in your mind. Okay, and next, here one more important thing is when the all latitudes are going around the earth, it is look like a circles. It is look like a circles in parallel circles. Okay, the distance in between the two latitudes are the equal. Okay, the two latitudes distance are equal distance. Keep in your mind. Latitudes distance are equal, parallel. That's why it is all the latitudes are called as a parallel lines or parallel circles. Getting my point? And that circles are called as a latitudes. And here the word latitude comes from the Latin word that is latitudo. Latitudo, which means in Latin language, latitude is nothing but a latitudo. Okay, latitude means what? Width. Latitudo means width. Getting my point? Understand? Okay, width. And here all the latitude values comes from the 0 to 90 degrees. All the latitude values are comes from the 0 to 90 degrees. This is the 90 degree latitude, and 0 to 90 degrees latitude. Getting my point? All the latitude values are comes from the 0 to 90 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees. That's it. 0 to 90 degrees north, 0 to 90 degrees south. Understand, Anna? Clearly understanding? Okay, listen. And here, when they measure like this, automatically what happened? They will reach the poles, North Pole and the South Pole. Here, there is no latitudes, means there is no circles. That is also latitude, but there is no circle. Completely, this 90-degree latitude is a point. Okay, 90-degree latitude, 90-degree south latitude is a point, no circle. Then the same way, 90 degrees north pole is also what? It is a point. Point, just a point, not like a circle. If you are reaching to the poles at there is no circle. It is just a point. Getting my point? Understand? Okay, listen. And here the latitudes are drawn throughout the globe. Okay, from north pole to the south pole they drawn. It is those are the imaginary lines. Okay, and here, as per the area, some latitudes are passing through the Africa, some latitudes are passing through the Australia, some latitudes are passing through the Asia, some latitudes are passing through the Europe, some latitudes are passing through the South America, some latitudes are passing through the North America, some latitudes are passing through the Greenland. Understand? So in that way, some latitudes are passing through the different kinds of lands. Understand? So as per the territories, they are given some names. For example, Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees on of Tropic of Cancer is there in the north northern latitude, and 23 degrees and 23 and a half degrees southern latitude. That name is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Understand, Nana? Getting my point? Just you have to concentrate here while telling it. Then you can easily understand everything. Okay. Okay, they are called like that. And one more important thing is this equator is dividing the earth into two parts. Equator is dividing the earth into two parts. What is that? One is the north, 0 to 90 degrees northern hemisphere or northern part. Okay, and 0 to 90 degrees southern hemisphere, southern latitudes or northern latitudes. Understand? Getting my point? And one more thing is all the latitudes are parallel lines, and all the latitudes are parallel lines in a north. All the latitudes are parallel lines in a south, all the latitudes are parallel in a north also. Getting my point? Understanding, Nana? And this equator is completely dividing the earth into two parts. So this is the middle. It is passing through the middle of the earth. That's why it is called as a 0 degree latitude also. 0 degree latitude. And one more important thing is here there is no less than 0 degree latitude. There is no less than 0 degree latitude. At the same time, there is no greater than 90 degrees latitude. There is no greater than 90 degree latitude. Understand? I mean, these are only the latitudes from 0 to 90 degrees. From 0 to actually the first latitude is started with the 0 degrees and ending with the 90 degrees. That's it. There are no other latitudes. This is the topic. Getting my point? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the longitudes. Okay, listen. Longitudes. Actually, the word longitude comes from the Latin itself. Understand? Same like a latitude. Okay. The word longitude is also comes from the Latin word. Latin word. That is longitudo. Longitudo. The word name is longitudo. Longitudo means length. Getting my point? Longitude means length. Okay, latitude means width, longitude means length. Okay, that is why always longitudes are vertical lines, latitudes are horizontal lines. Getting my point? And one more thing here, these latitudes not circles. All the longitudes are not a circles like a latitudes. Okay, these longitudes are semicircles. All the longitudes are semicircles from North Pole to the South Pole. Actually, these longitudes are connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. Getting my point? Understanding, Anna? Okay. And here, one more important thing is the longitude is passing through the astronomical. Okay, longitude is passing through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich. Getting my point? Okay, I will let me explain again. Longitude is passing through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich. Okay, that England is called 0 degree Greenwich meridian. 0 degree meridian, it is called as a 0 degree meridian. That is nothing but this one, middle line. It is actually one longitude is passing through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich. It is called as a Greenwich. This is called a meridian, 0 degree meridian or prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Understand? Getting my point? And here so many countries people or several country people, they want to fix the 0 degree longitude is related to their their area or their territory. When the 0 degree longitude is passing through their territory, they want to fix it as a 0 degree longitude like that. But England is finalized and it is decided, it is a 0 degree Greenwich longitude. It is a 0 degree meridian like that. England is decided. Why? Because of at that time England is having a power surroundings of the many countries and the continents also. England have a power. England having a power on the many countries. That is why every country should be agreed with the England words, whatever it fixed. Getting my point? That's why 0 degree Greenwich longitude came into the picture. Understand? Getting my point, Nana? Okay. And here total 360 longitudes are there. Total how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes are there. Okay. In this, among these 360 longitudes, 0 to 180 degrees longitudes are towards the east, and 0 to 180 degrees towards the west, east and west. Getting my point? Understand? Okay, 0 to 180 degree longitudes are towards the eastern direction, and 0 to 180 degrees longitudes are western direction are located. Getting my point? Understanding, Nana? And here all the longitudes are what, not in equal distance. The distance is totally changed, not like a latitudes. Just keep in your mind, okay, and you have to observe it also. Understand? And each and every longitude is connecting from south pole to north pole. South pole to north pole. It is connecting both poles. Understand? Keep in your mind. Okay. And next point is total 360 longitude is completed. And next we have a 180 degree longitude is there. 180 degree longitude. Okay, this 180 degree longitude is directly opposite to the 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. Which is called as a anti-meridian. Keep in your mind. Understand? There is a 180 degree longitude is there, which is directly opposite to the 0 degree longitude. Okay, which is called as a anti-meridian. 0 degree anti-meridian. 180 degree anti-meridian. Keep in your mind. Understand, Nana? Getting my point? Please understand everything. Understand? And when you are go through your book, then only you can better understanding. Understand? Keep in your mind. When we are watching, once we have to go through our book, just we have to observe, then you can better understand. Okay? Okay? Okay. We will go for the next class in next day. Okay? Until and unless you have to keep watching. Thank you very much.